Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable guest user account in command prompt on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable guest user account on Windows 11 computer, click on search. In search type CMD. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. In command prompt type net user guest /active clone yes. This command will active the guest user account on Windows 11 computer. Now hit enter. The command completed successfully. Now close command prompt and you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your guest user account on Windows 11 computer is enabled. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.